Because, you know, sometimes you got to give people another chance. You know, sometimes people grow, sometimes people change, sometimes people go through stuff. You got to give them another chance. So that's what I did. I decided to give this Amber another chance. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, 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 girl. Hey, how y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I'm hype. I'm hype. This is a collab with your girl, MsEbonyVee. We are collabing on this unit right here, this Outre melted hairline. First of all, I absolutely love Miss Ebony. She slays units, y'all. Like, she's one of my wig-based sisters, and I'm telling y'all, this girl right here, if you're looking for like updated units, Ebony got them. If you're looking for Amazon units, she got them. If you're looking for old units, she got them. And she also dabbles in makeup, y'all. I love Ebony's channel. She does awesome reviews. If she doesn't like it, she will tell you. If she's feeling it, she will let you know. She keeps the tea, honey. She will let you know. She will keep you slayed and strayed. I don't know what slayed and strayed means, but Ebony got you. Make sure you check her out. I'm going to leave a link below. But right now, let's go ahead and talk about this unit right here. And I'm going to talk to y'all in the outro. So I am back installing this unit again. This is the Outre melted hairline, and I have the style Natalia. I have the color DR4 Golden Amber. So now this is the melted hairline Outre. I did review Shanice. That was the perfect hairline. This is the melted hairline, y'all. So this one is not like Shanice. I'll leave a link to Shanice right here. Shanice was just, she had lace all around with parting. This one right here is a melted hairline. So this one just comes with your lace parting in the middle. But the thing about this unit is this hairline right here. Yes, yes, yes. So that's what this melted hairline is all about. It says it's give you that frontal effect hairline, no plucking required. And I think they did it. I mean, I know I'm over here always excited when I got an Outre unit, except for Miss Jillian, but we gonna talk about that. This one right here, they did this hairline some justice, y'all. I really, really like how this hairline is looking. Even though I was like, why are you melting a hairline when you're just giving me a lace part and I can't part her everywhere and put her up and do all of that? But I guess if you wanted to kind of like pin her to the side a little bit, you know, and you'll get that hairline looking effect, I like it. You want to know why I like it? Because they on to something. You know what's going to happen next? They going to give us the whole lace. And I'm ready. I'm ready, Outre. Bring it. We are ready. You did it with this one. You can master the whole lace. Go ahead and blend that perfect hairline with the melted hairline. And we good. We good, y'all. So I do have this color in Golden Amber. This is how much I love y'all. Seriously. I did review Jillian and I was so over that color, and I was so over, I don't know if it was the style, the color, what, but y'all liked this color so much that I had to bring it back to y'all. And I see what y'all was saying. I think that unit in particular, maybe it was the style or the way the fibers were for me. Ooh, I had to show y'all a little bit of shoulder. So that one, I think it was the style. in particular for me that wasn't working. This one, the fibers feel a little bit different on that one. I do have Miss Jillian right here, just to kind of compare, because I felt like I was tripping. I'm not too sure if this one, because it's such a like easy everyday style, that the fibers were a little different. I don't know. This is Miss Jillian right here. It just actually, to be honest, maybe because this one is like curly, I'm not too sure what's going on. I'm really not too sure why I wasn't feeling Miss Jillian, but the curl, something was just a little bit off with Jillian. But this one right here, we don't have any filler hairs right here. She is melted. She is flat. I'm running my fingers through her very comfortably. She is synthetic. I don't feel like she is a little like plasticky like I was feeling with Jillian, but kind of now that I'm feeling Jillian, it kind of feels the same, but it doesn't. So I'm going to rub a little bit of serum on this hair, and I noticed that, oh, I just pulled my earring off. Pull my earring off, y'all. All right, so I noticed that putting a little bit of serum, putting a little bit of wig spray, it definitely does help, y'all. So I can run my fingers through her. She feels good. I am getting a little bit of shedding with this unit, but I'm not really getting much tangling. I think because of the style maybe being wavy as opposed to like curly. So this is what she's looking like in the front. In the back. So she's really pretty. I think I would actually want to get this in a 1B. And I'm like, I normally don't like to rebuy units unless I really, really love them. But I think I like Miss Natalia. I don't know. I really do like her. And at first, like I said, I was not feeling this color. You know, it kind of does drown out my face a little bit, but with the way the dark roots are, it's just a little bit different. Like this one, the way, I don't know, the color blend, I don't know. What do y'all think? Like, I guess it's the same. I'm tripping. It's the same. I don't know. It's the same. It's the same color. So it is. Maybe, so that just goes to show you guys that sometimes the style, something can mess it up and just totally make you hate the wig. So that really just goes to show you that sometimes that could be the case. But I do like the fibers on this one. I do like the hairline. She's big head friendly. She feels good, y'all. I like her. You may not like her, but I like her. I didn't have to pluck the front. I left the hairline just as it is, just to kind of show you guys how melted and perfect that hairline is supposed to be, and I think they did a good job. I did go in with a little bit of powder in the middle, but that's pretty much it. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this unit, because I think I really like her. Let me know how you're feeling. Make sure you hit up MsEbonyVee. I know she's gonna slay for you guys. I will leave a link below to her channel, and y'all let me know how y'all feel about Natalia. Okay, guys, until next time, beauties, I will talk to you later. Bye.